Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 10 subject social science chapter number 4 literacy heritage of India. Now, dear children, our next topic is the Asian universities of the India. What is the next topic? The Asian universities of India. It's Bharatni Prachi Vidyapith. Now, first of all, we have to learn about the Nalanda University. Dear children, first of all, we have to learn about the Nalanda University. This is the most important question for the board examination, dear children. Now, Asian Nalanda University was situated at Budgam. Where the Nalanda University was situated, dear children? Nalanda University was situated at the Budgam village of the Patna district in the Bihar. And the Nalanda is more important in Buddhist and the Jain tradition. What happened that dear children here? Nalanda even the more important to the Buddhist and the Jain tradition. This Asian university also become the pilgrimage of Jain as Mahavir Swami. What happened that dear children? We have to given that here. This Asian university has become the pilgrimage. What is the meaning of the pilgrimage, dear children? Pilgrimage, it means yatra. Oh, Jain is a Mahavir Swami that performed the 14 Chaturmas here. In the 5th century, Kumar Gupta has built a monastery here. What happened there, dear children? Here, in the 5th century, the Kumar Gupta has built the monastery. Monastery means vihar, built by the Kumar Gupta. Since the fame of the Nalanda had increased, there were the thousands of the priceless treasures of a manuscript. What happened there, dear children? Here there are the thousands of the priceless treasures of the manuscript. This was a pious place of the Indian culture. Students from the various parts of the world used to come here for study. Here children, be careful. What they have given that students from the various parts of the world level are coming to the Nalanda University for the education. The great traveler U.T. Singh also came here. Today, only the ruins of the great university, but amidst the ruins, one can visualize the glories of the culture of the India. Yet, children, in your textbook, they have given the image of the picture of the Nalanda University. A student who passed out from the Nalanda was considered the ideal student of the India. What they have given that the student who passed from the Nalanda University was considered the ideal student of the India. Like example, presently you take the example of IIM, IIT, Oxford University. If you have to see out of the nation, Cambridge University, these all are the top ranking school as well as the university. So same way, in the previous time, the Nalanda is the top university. During the 5th to 11th century, education was the best at Nalanda, and in India at that time, had the best library of the world were available. If you to see the world level, the best library of the world was only available in Nalanda. Many students of India and abroad used to come for study and research in the library of the Takshila as well as the Nalanda University. What they would say that many abroad students was came to the India for research in library of Takshila as well as in Nalanda University. U.T. Singh has also taken 557 books from here to the China. We know that U.T. Singh is a Chinese traveler. U.T. Singh visited in the 7th century. U.T. Singh visited in which century, dear children? In 7th century. And there were the 7 huge hall. There were the 7 huge hall. It means room or section in the university. There were 300 rooms for delivering the lecture. How many rooms are there in Nalanda? 300 rooms for delivering the lectures. There were the 7 special monasteries were built for dwelling of the students. Many villages were donated 4. University sustains. It means the needy villager is given their income for the university sustains. Food and clothing facility were provided free of cost in this university. The children, what they will say that food and clothing facilities were provided free of cost from the earning obtained from the villagers. Its book are library area was known as a Dharma Ganjan. What they have given that its book is repository. Repository means in libraries area was known as a Dharma Ganj. During the 5th to the 11th century, you have to see, during the 5th to the 11th century, the Nalanda was a reputed as well as the esteemed the centers of the education. That's why we can say that here the Nalanda was reputed as well as the esteemed means Khyati centers of the education. After the children, they will even about the information of the Taxila University. Now, Asian University of Taxila was located. Where the Taxila University was located here? Taxila University was located at Rawalpindi of the present Pakistan. It was the capital city of the Asian of the Gandhar region. What they have given that? They have given that it was the capital city of the Asian Gandhar region. This university imparted the education in 64 subjects. How many subjects are taught in Taxila University? 64 subjects were taught to the student in the Taxila University. Most of the students stayed in the ashram to practice with the Guru. What they would say that? They would say that most of the students stayed in the ashram for practice with the Guru. Here they would given that Jiva, the disciple of the Lord Buddha, Jiva, the disciple of the Lord Buddha, learned the lesson of the Ayurveda here. The composer of Arthashastra, economist Kautilya studied here. Kautilya, the Arthashastri, economist, has also studied in the Taxila University. According to the belief, this university was named after the name of the Tax, the son of the Bharat. Now, who is the Bharat? The brother of the Lord Rama. It means this university of the name Tax was given on the basis of the Bharat son. Now, who is the Bharat? Bharat is the brother of the Lord Ram, born in the Raghukulam. It was a renowned education center in the 7th century. Students were free to study the subject of their interest. Be careful. What they were given, the students were free to study the subject of their interest. In spite of the limit allotted of 20 students per teacher, 20 students per teacher, it means one teacher, 20 students is there. They used to teach even more. Students from distant cities, like they have to given the name of the different cities, Varanasi, after Rajguru, Mithila, Ujjain, are crowded in this university. Princess of, now they have to given the name of the princess, and this princess are the Varanasi and Prasenjit. Varanasi and Prasenjit, the king of the ocean, studied here. They have also given that here. Also, the great grammarian Panini, an expert politician, Kautilya got education from this university. That's why we can say that here the great Kautilya as well as Panini has also taken the education from the Taxila University. Taxila was the best center of the higher education. Normally, students used to stay with Guru to practice education of Ved, military science, Gaj Vidya, archery, grammar, philosophy, warlore, astronomy, astrology was given here. It means we can say that all kinds of the subjects are included in this university. Chanakya, the mentor of the Chandragupta Maurya, also studied here. Be careful. Chanakya, the mentor and the gurus of Chandragupta Maurya, is also studied in the Taxila University. Chinese scholar visited this university in the beginning of the 5th century. Next one, dear children, they have given the information of Varanasi. Varanasi means the Kashi. Varanasi was the famous as one of the place of the pilgrimage during the 7th century. What they would say that dear children, they have given that Varanasi was the famous of the one of the place of the pilgrimage. The pilgrimage means yatra during the 7th century. It was also the famous education center. It grew as the religious center of the Aryan culture in Upanishadic period. King of Varanasi. What they have to given the dear children? They have to given that the king of the Varanasi, Ajatashatru, was the great philosopher of the Upanishadic age and the great supporter of the education. Who is the great supporter of the education? King of the Varanasi. It is mentioned in the Vyas Samhiti that Maharshi Vedvyas had his ashram in Varanasi. What they would say that it is mentioned that Vyas Samhita that Maharshi Vedvyas had his ashram in the Varanasi. Lord Buddha chose the Varanasi as a suitable place for the propagation of his preaching. Potent philosopher and Adi Shankaracharya had to move to the Kashi to adopt the new principle of Vedanta. Vallabhacharya ji and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the pioneer of the Pushtiman, attained the prestige of their Vaishnava sect in the Kashi. What they would given the children be careful. Vallabhacharya ji and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the pioneer of Pushtiman, has also attained the prestige of the Vaishnava sect in the Kashi. Majority of the scholar families of the Punjab had to migrate to the Kashi, while few families migrated to the Kashmir. Many other princes came to the education for in the Varanasi. Monastery at Sarnath became the famous education center under the patronage of Emperor Ashoka. What they were given there? Here, the whatever the monastery was prepared by the Ashoka was the famous education center during the Emperor Ashoka. Next one, dear children, they were given about the information of Vallavi. What they were given about the Vallavi. This university of Gujarat was very famous center of education in 7th century. This university of Gujarat was very famous center of education in 7th century. There was a significant contribution of contemporary ruler of Vansh dynasty and its people made Vallavi as well as renowned as a huge center of the education. It is also called as a Vidyadham. Vallavi is also called as a Vidyadham. You can be careful. Was the center of the Himalaya cult of the Buddhist religion. In the middle of the 7th century, the Buddhist scholar like Srimati and Gunmati were the leading principles of the Vallavi. What they were given the dear children? They were given the Srimati and Gunmati are the principle of this Vallavi. The Brahmin student from the distant area of Ganga and Yamuna used to come here for the higher studies. Chinese traveler Singh noted that Vallavi completed with the famous education center. Nalanda beach was located in the eastern part of India. What they have to return the dear children? They have to return there. And also Singh noted that Vallavi was completely with the famous education center like Nalanda. Vallavi was the capital and an international port. What they were given the dear children? Vallavi was also the capital as well as the international port from 480 to 775. The ruler of the Vallavi belongs to the Maitrak dynasty. The ruler of the Vallavi from which dynasty? From the Maitrak dynasty. And he was patronized the education and university as well as. It is also notable that the royal people of the Maitrak dynasty were not the Buddhist. However, they were helping the institution Vallabhi. In 775, Arabian attack, the Mitras were defeated and university was closed down. The name of famous scholar were written on the gate. What happened that here? The name of the famous scholar written the name in the gate. Scholar by showing that erudition were getting the higher arts in Rajya Sabha. Knowledge, worship and particular system of education made the university famous not only in India but also in the civilized world of that time. What happened that here children? Be careful and repeat. Knowledge, worship and particular system of education made this university famous not only in India but at the world level, in the civilized world. Students from India and abroad used to come for the education in this university. It was an international university in the real sense. Almost all the branches of the knowledge were taught here. The maintenance of the university was done through the charity. Here, the maintenance of the Vallabhi University was done on the basis of the charity given by the king as well as the landlord. Actually, it shows the loyalties of the people towards the university. And that's why you can say that this is the one kind of the loyalty of the people toward the university. It was a world-renowned universities of the education is Vidya for knowledge of the art and science. So dear children, today we have to learn the old Asian universities of India. Which one? Nalanda, Takshila, Bharat and Vallabhi. And these four are most important for the board examination. Out of 4, one question is there in the board examination. It means you have to learn more about Nalanda and Vallabhi. Thank you dear children.